What's up guys, welcome back to Eyadplayz. As you know, I changed my YouTube channel logo a little bit, and since I hadn't been uploading any videos, so if any of you has been turning notification on, then you probably has been seeing this video in your notification bar of YouTube or in your Gmail or in your phone notification bar. So as you can see, not really well, we're gonna be doing just a PowerPoint tutorial as usual. And if you don't have this in your taskbar, this PowerPoint thing, just click on this Windows bar and just type PowerPoint and click on it. Just put full screen little. And if you want, you can just press blank presentation from here, or press new and press blank presentation. Well, doing it from new is better. If you want, you can delete this, but that doesn't do anything. So to select something, you should do like this, and you can select it and you can rotate it like this. See? Oh, that's a weird rotation. And if you don't want it to be rotated, click on this, and you can change the size of it like this, and this, or you can do like this horizontally. Also, if you don't want that happen, click on this. Okay, here you can add a title. So you can type any title you want, and if you want, you can put subtitle. And if you want to add a design, click on design here and press this thing over here, and as you see, click on any design you want. Well, I want this. If you want to add more design, click on home and press design ideas. Remember, this is PowerPoint 356, so this will not be usual as PowerPoint 2016. Okay, after clicking that, click any design you want. To see more, press this. Okay, and click on the design you want, and that's the basics of the first slide. If you want to add any transitions, click on this. Select something, click on transitions, and you can choose any transition you want. And you can also click on this for more. Well, honeycomb is the best one in my opinion. Look at that. And this has an animation as well. To add a new slide, press Ctrl Shift plus M, and you have a new slide. And to delete the slide, press delete on your keyboard. Ctrl Shift plus M is or you can just click on this, press delete. Okay, now in this one you can make the main slide. Okay, and you can type any subtitle you want. It no need to be long, it no need to be short. You can make it how much you want. And if you want add more designs. Okay, and so I just paused the video. I don't remember what I did. Okay, if you want to add more design, click on design and press design ideas as usual, and that's it. And if you want to add an image, like any image you like, press insert pictures, online pictures. This is the easiest way to insert pictures. And if you want, you can type any pictures you want, and the images will come over here, and then click on the image you want and press insert down here. After that, you can increase the size, reduce the size, like that, anything. If the picture is there will be more design that might be coming. Okay, so after that, that's almost done. To add any animation, that's the important part. click on animations, and you can put like any animations for the picture you want also. Let me show you. Wait, to actually put the slideshow, click on this and it will be coming over here. Then press spacebar to go, and then press spacebar to insert the animation of your image. And well, that's the finish of the basics. And if you want more of my videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell, share, and bye.